We are at the very top of walking all the way down these stairs, everybody. From the parking lot there, all the way up the side. I'm out of breath. We're at the Hoover Dam. And so we are walking in here. Okay. We're having a good time. We just had breakfast. Just letting you know about how this was constructed. Look at this breathtaking scene. It is windy, and we were warned that before we got off the bus. This iconic structures. We're on the very side of this. Look at us. Bridge greatness. Mike Kelly. This bridge. Oh wow. This is legendary. I'm gonna take a quick peep right here. I'm not too brave, y'all. Yeah. Okay. We're gonna go just a little further, and I'm gonna get a little bit more footage of this dam. But it's breathtaking. Absolutely breathtaking. You can see the water back that way, everyone, in the mountains in the back. Kino's waiting on me down here. So we're not gonna go too much further. I'm getting dizzy just looking at this. Oh Lord, that is amazing. That's the dam, everyone. Get that, make that focus in there. That is spectacular. He wants to go a little further down. I'm gonna take a few photos in a little bit when we get in the center, but oh wow. We're gonna mosey on past the people standing here taking photos. And we're gonna go just a little bit further in, and then I'm going to be turning around. I feel a little dizzy out here. So I'm gonna get close to this water here, and I'm gonna do one more zoom in there and zoom out so you can get a little bit of reference to the range of how far we are from this and how high we are up in the air. It's quite a significant height, this bridge that we're on. So yeah, he wants to go a little further again, so let's do this. Oh goodness, this is dizzying. Okay, well, I think you get a good rendering of what we're seeing and the measurements for a reference point of how high we are up in the air. Okay, we're at the Hoover Dam, and Keno and I will talk.